A very good morning to all of you. Today we are having this online meeting for our fifth co-curricular activity, which is English poem recitation. On behalf of our ACS number 2 family, I welcome you all, and I can say you all are looking lovely. The spark in your eyes is telling us that we are going to have a great competition. This whole CCA activity is being coordinated by our CCA in charge, Mrs. Ratnanjali Bijolia. So I invite Madam to have a few words with you.
Thank you, Sarita Madam. It's a very warm welcome to all my lovely and pretty students. I hope that I can see that you people are looking very eager and you people are taking very much interest in during the CC activities. So I wish you all the very best. Just keep the thing in mind. Winning or losing is just a part, but participation is must. So you should participate in a better way, and CCA just inculcates the hidden talents. It discovers the hidden qualities in you. So we should always participate with a happy mood and be cheerful. And I wish everyone all the best. Over to Sarita Madam now. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam. Now let me introduce you to our judges. You are being judged by Miss Sarita Raj, Miss Azu Kumari, and Mr. Gajraj sir. And Mr. Mahesh is our technical in charge, and Mrs. Yashoda Kocheria Madam is the timekeeper. So now I think we can start the program. All of you are ready? Can you just show me thumbs up? Are you ready? Yes. So first we will begin with class second. So first participant for today is Arav Dhakar.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Arav, you can start. Arav, you can start.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Arav Dhakar in class 2nd A. Today I am telling a poem. My topic is health is wealth. Health is wealth. Say you all make a healthy choice. Be fit and fine. Find fresh fruits. Fast food from. Eat green veggies. Hair is brown. Do some yoga and play a ball. Health is wealth. Say you all. Health is wealth. Say you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Arav. Yes, health is really wealth. Very good, Arav. Now next is Dev.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dev, you can start, beta.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Dev. I study in class 2nd A. My topic is 5 little seeds. 5 little seeds. 5 little seeds. 3 will make flowers and 2 will make weeds. Under the leaves and under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Out comes the sun, down comes a shower. 5 and up comes the 3 pretty pink flowers. Out comes the sun that every plant needs, and up comes 2 funny old weeds. Thank you.
Very good, Dev. I'm again reminding the parents, please keep the camera in such a way that we can clearly see the face as well as the actions of the child. And as soon as your poem is completed, please mute yourself. It's a humble request. Now, next participant is Divija.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, my name is Divija Dugaya. I study in class 2nd A. Today I go to tell a poem. This poem title is A New Day is Born by Meeta Krishna. At the crack of dawn, a new day is born. The owls yawn. Baby deer is called a fawn. Little birds spoke to each other. They spoke, good morning, good morning. Slowly the sun started shining, spreading heat and light with all its might. The cattle moo in the meadows, squirrel play in the trees, shadows. Little cow jumps around its mother, who is bound. The farmers in the field, busy counting their ears, and lazy ponds are asleep, dreaming of fleeting sheep. Dreaming of fleeting sheep. Thank you for listening my poem.
Very good, Divija. It was very well recited. Now, next participant is Hardik Sharma. Title of his poem is Beyond the Universe.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Hardik Sharma. The title of my poem is Beyond the Universe.
Just a minute, Hardik. Just a minute, Hardik. Wait. We are not able to hear you. Hardik, mother, please adjust the camera. Ask him to come near. We are not able to hear him. हम सुन नहीं पा रहे हैं उसको. Okay now.
La 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 la. I dream of flying beyond the earth, amidst the planets and countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of home away from home. Fly on to watch the Saturn with its ring and moon. Then I stop by the Jupiter marvel, by its red sun that look like marbles. Hurtling through a belt of asteroids, I cross Uranus without a fuss. To Neptune, a blue ocean, further high, I fly beyond the galaxy to meet the creator of this superb display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies, to voyage across the galaxies. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Hardik. You really took us beyond the universe. Now, please mute your mic. Next participant is Manvi Thakre. Manvi Thakre.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. My name is respected my teacher and my dear friends. My name is Manvi Thakre, class 2nd A. I am going to recite my poem, whose title is All Things Bright and Beautiful. Let's start. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, all things wise and wonderful. The Lord God made them all, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, each little bird that sings. God made their glowing colors, God made their glowing colors, and made their tiny wings, and made their tiny wings. The purple-headed mountain, the purple-headed mountain, the river running by, the river running by, the sunset in the morning, the sunset in the morning. The brightness of the sky, that brightens up the sky. The cold wind in the winter, the cold wind in the winter. Some that summer that brightens up the sky, that brightens summer sun. The bright. The ripe fruits in the garden, the ripe fruits in the garden. God made them everyone. God made them everyone. He gave us eyes to see them. He gave us eyes to see them. And leaves we might tell.
Manvi, your time is over, beta. Your poem was really good. Yes, everything has its own beauty. Now I call upon Hitanshi.
Thank you,
Hitanshi
ma'am.
Kapadia.
Good
Hitanshi,
बोली थी इतना बड़े मैं बोली थी
others please mute yourself. हितांशी के अलावा सब अपना माइक म्यूट रखें.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Hitanshi Kucheria. I study in class 2nd A. The title of my poem, Fruits and Vegetables. 5 a day, 5 a day, 5 a day. Keep you fit in every way. Keep you fit in every way. Fruits and vegetables are good to eat. Healthy food can be a treat. Healthy food can be a treat. Healthy food can be a treat. Fruits make us very strong. Fruits make very strong. And keep us healthy for long. 5 a day, 5 a day. Keep you fit in every way. Keep you fit in every way. Thank you.
Thank you, Hitanshi. You have told us the importance of fruits and vegetables. We must eat all the fruits and vegetables to be healthy. Now, next is Niharika Meshram.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Niharika Mishra. Good morning, ma'am. I am studying a 2nd class. I am going to recite a poem. My poem name is Good Manners. We say thank you. We say please. We don't interrupt or tease. We don't argue. We don't fuss. We listen when folks talk to us. We share our toys and take our turn. Good manners are not too hard to learn. It's really easy when you find good manners mean just be kind. Thank you.
Thank you, Niharika, for telling us about good manners. Next participant is Samarth. Samarth. Are you there, Samarth? I think Samarth is not there, so we will move on to the next one. Syed Amar. Syed Amar.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Syed Amar Anwar. Class 2nd A. My poem name is Green Plant. This is the way we sow the seeds, sow the seeds, sow the seeds. This is the way we sow the seeds in the soft and this soil. This is the way we water the plants, water the plants, water the plants. This is the way we water the plants with lots of love and care. This is the way we feed the plants, feed the plants, feed the plants. This is the way we feed the plants with manner made from leaves.
Thank you, Amar, for this beautiful poem. Next is Vamika Verma. Vamika Verma.
Good morning. My name is Vamika Verma. My poem name is Flying a Kite. The best game of all is flying kites. I don't care what you say, what fun it is when the big wind comes and carries your kite away. Up, up it goes into the deep blue like an airship, red and white. Want a heap of fun? Then take my tip. Go out and buy a kite. Thank you.
Thank you, Vamika. I have a request. I can see that some participants' elder brother are sitting or sisters are sitting with them. I request them to please move on. ये उनका कंपटीशन है, उनको रहने दीजिए. आप जिनके बड़े भाई बहन साथ में बैठे हैं वो प्लीज वहां से सामने से हट जाएं. आरव धाकर. Okay, चलो. Then we'll continue. Next is Yash Kumar.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Yash Kumar. In study class second A, poem name Bells. Ding dong, all the bells are ringing. Ding dong, it's a holiday. Ding dong, all the bells are singing. Ding dong, let's go out and play. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Now we are moving to Akansha Meena. Akansha Meena, second B. Akansha, wait, beta. Akansha, wait. You are not audible. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, बेटा. Come near to the camera. We are not able to hear you.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Akansha Meena. I study in class second B. My poem title is My Mother is My Life. Red, blue, pink and white. Red, blue, pink and white. You are beautiful and my life. You are beautiful and my life. And when I always close my eyes, you stand with me all the time. You stand with me all the time. You make me happy all the time. You make me happy all the time. Oh, you are my sunshine and my life. You are my sunshine and my life. I always pray to God. He makes you happy all the time. Oh, my mother, you are my life. Thank you.
Thank you, beta. Yes, really, our mother is our life and we must try hard to keep her happy all the time. Thank you, beta. Now, next one is Abhinav.
Yes, my name is Abhinav और आज मैं आपको सुनाने जा रहा हूँ इंग्लिश पोयम. मेरी पोयम का नाम है रैन रैन गो अवे. रैन रैन गो अवे, रैन रैन गो अवे. कम अगेन another day, come again another day. Little Johnny want to play, little Johnny want to play. Ran, ran, go away. Ran, ran, go away. Come again another day. Come again another day. Little Chacha want to play. Little Chacha want to play. Ran, ran, go away. Ran, ran, go away. Come again another day. Come again another day. Little Choo-choo want to play. Little choo-choo want to play. Ran, ran, go away. Ran, ran, go away. Come again another day. Come again another day. All the friends want to play. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, beta. Really, the rain is not allowing the children to play nowadays. Next participant is Arpan Verma.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Arpan Verma. I am singing the poem. Poem name is Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, she bag full. One for my master and one for each dam, and one for this little boy who lived down the land. Thank you. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. मैम अभी भी नहीं आ रही है. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Now, am I audible? You can start your poem, Avni.
Good morning, teachers and all of you. My name is Avni Gedan. I study in class 2nd B. My poem name is Save Trees. Let me grow, let me grow. I can do life, let me grow. Give me water, give me water. I can give you shelter, give me water. Cut me not, cut me not. I can give you fruits, cut me not. Plant me more, plant me more. Let us save the earth, plant me more. Give me space, give me space. Let us save home to bird, give me space. Play around me, play around me. I can give home to bird, give me space. Thank you.
Thank you, Avni. Yes, we must save trees. We must plant more and more trees to save our Mother Earth. Next participant is Dimple. Dimple.
Morning, teachers. My name is Dimple Galoth. I study in class 2nd B. I today telling me Sunny June. June is a short word. That's why I like it. It is easy to spell and easy to say. And is not it fun to play in the sun? I am as sorry as I can be that June shine on us each summer day. When bright, lovely June has gone away. Thank you.
Thank you, Dimple. The next is Manan. Manan.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Manan from
Just a minute, Manan. Just a minute. Manan, wait. Please adjust your camera. We cannot see your face. Now it is okay. Start with can you please speak a little bit loudly? थोड़ा जोर से बोलो बेटा.
From class 2nd B, my poem Nature is mine, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody, nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is blue, nature is me,
Thank you, Manan. Yes, nature is really very beautiful. Next participant is Nikita Kumari. Nikita Kumari, second B. Are you there, Nikita? I think Nikita is not there. So let us move on to Pavitra. Pavitra. Okay, so Pavitra, are you there, Pavitra? You can start your poem. So I think Pavitra is also not there. So we can move on to Shreyans. Shreyans Sadangi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sriyan Sarangi. I am standing before you to recite a poem, which is The First Diwali by Brenda Williams. Here it is. The people stayed so many tears when Rama left for 14 years in a forest deep, where he and Sita used to sleep until Ravana spoiled his life by stealing Sita for a wife. He took her in his chariot high over the sea, across the sky. The monkey king called Hanuman, help King Rama with a plan. He will aid it across the sea so Rama could set Sita free. Then in a battle fierce and long, Rama showed how he was strong. Ravana killed and Sita saved. Rama was so bold and brave. On his return to Ayodhya city, the people made his journey pretty. By light lamp along his way, and so it was until this day. The Tiva lamp like guiding light reminds us all that good is right. And from the dark of ignorance, grand knowledge for our future days. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreyans. It was a lovely poem. You made all of us aware why do we celebrate Diwali. Thanks a lot. Now next is Tejas Suthar.
Good morning, ma'am. I name is Tejas Sutta, class second B. Title of my poem is Traffic Light. Red light, what do you say? I say stop and stop right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean wait till light turn green. Green light, what do you say? I say cross, but please look me away. Thank you. Red, yellow, green. Thank you.
Thank you, Tejas. Yes, we all must follow these traffic rules. Once again, I am calling the participants, those who have not recited their poem till now. First one is Samarth Veerwal. Samarth, if you are there, then please join us. Samarth. I think Samarth is absent. Nikita Kumari, second B, and Pavitra, second B. Nikita and Pavitra. I think they are absent. So now we can move to first standard. Children, you really recited the poem very well. Some of you have done the action so well. It was really a lot of enjoyable to hear you. Thank you. Now we will begin with class 1. after a minute.